Hey, welcome back to today's episode of What Did I Get? Now, this round, we've got this little funky thing. No, it's not a rocket. This is actually a rivet gun that goes on your drill. So, it comes with this, and there we go. Also, packaging with the tools and other rivet ends so that you can change up your size for your rivet. Kind of complete, I like. This end is just typical and goes onto your drill. We have not tried this yet. I have no idea how well it works. So, supposedly, we're supposed to just be able to drop it on and then go. I think maybe I have the wrong size in here. That could be the problem. Let's see. Maybe there's no tip in there. There we go. Okay, so my bad. I just didn't have it reversed out enough that the little teeth to grab weren't at the front. So now we should be good to go. So. Oh, my drill's slipping. Oh, there we go. Problems with my drill. Then you turn it in reverse and it spits it back out. It does work. Human errors here, but it does work. So let's try it again. Now that I know a little bit more what's happening and I've got the drill tight enough, let's see. Get this one. Come on. There we go. There we go. Not bad. A little bit of learning curve for me, but not bad. It does do its job. You got to make sure it's all the way back out. Almost be better to put the rivet in. There. Try it that way. And then drop it through the hole. From this side, you've got to hold this. There you go. Done. Just that quick. It's through. Not bad. Not bad. These have a value of $17 on Temu, and actually at some other hardware stores it's about the same price. It definitely my holes are bigger than my rivets, but it definitely snaps them in, pulls them all the way to. It seems to do its job. It does have different tips for different size rivets. I don't know. I'm going to try it in the, when we actually have to do some work, but I picked it up just because I had the opportunity, and it looks like it's going to be a useful little tool. A lot faster than squeezing the hell out of my hands and then having to readjust it, and I think this will be a lot more convenient. Plus it's a lot longer. It'll get into some of those harder to reach places where you can't get a handle in. You're going straight up. I think that's going to be definitely an advantage. As long as you can keep this from turning, you got to grab a hold of it with your hand, but that's it. Other than that, I like it. I think it was a good investment, and hopefully you'll get it seen used on something. I don't have too much body work to do on Moose, but we do have other projects that eventually will need some body work. So until then, thanks for watching. Well, you just hold the bleep. there we have it.